The US, South Korea, and Japan conducted joint military exercises over and near the Korean Peninsula on Monday in a show of force to North Korean leader Kim Jong Un. 6 American jets, 2 bombers and 4 fighters, flew alongside 4 South Korean and 4 Japanese fighter jets in the mission, U.S. Pacific Command said. U.S. and South Korean jets also flew near the Military Demarcation Line, an artificial border constructed in 1953 to separate the two Koreas, the Korea Herald reported. The joint exercises come as North Korea continues to demonstrate its own military capabilities, and it coincides with the first day of the United Nations General Assembly, where North Korea is expected to dominate discussion.